before. It's like, oh, I can't share this again. I just shared it 3 months ago. You're like, you know, who cares? So if you want to avoid being redundant and seeming like you've only been filming and doing photo shoots in the same place with the same photographer, you know, do this for like, you know, 5, 10, 20 sessions, film for 2-3 hours, okay? And you do this like once a quarter, and then run it through this process. You'll have an insane amount of content, an unlimited amount of content forever. Yeah, one of our clients, Antics, has the biggest content library because they've been with us forever, and because of that, it allows us to reapproach certain pieces of content. It allows, especially since social media managers have changed throughout the years, and different social media managers have different approaches and different strategies, and because there's already a content library and it's aligned with whatever they're sharing, content that we repurpose, you know, seems fresh to the end user, because no one has ever told us, we've seen this before, no one has ever said do something else. I think people overthink it when it comes to sharing their content, because we ourselves know we've shared it before. It's like, oh, I can't share this again. I just shared it 3 months ago. You're like, you know, who cares? You know, once you get to that point of like, you don't care what other people think, but this image that you shared 3 months ago resonates with you today, why not share it and share your truth and share your message? What holds people back is being overly concerned about the opinions of others. If your message is still coming, you know, from the soul, coming from your truth, and hitting, you know, and resonating with the people you're sharing it with, which most of the time it will, then I don't see why you shouldn't share a piece of content again. I mean, people came up with Throwback Thursday, Way Back Wednesday, Flashback Friday for a reason. I mean, you can literally schedule 1 to 2 pieces of content every single day and then add your new stuff on top of what's already scheduled. I mean, some people might not want to do this because they want to be intentional with their aesthetic or intentional with what they're sharing. Cool. You want to maximize your time and still be intentional with the content you produce. You know, work with another videographer or photographer for an additional 2 or 3 hours. Bring different outfits. Pay a little bit more so you can have a longer session and to be able to produce the content that you want. Hope you guys enjoyed this nice little 10,000 foot view of how we at Vision Paradox create content for our clients, for ourselves, so that way you guys can do the same. These next few videos, we're going to be going in depth further into these processes and how our graphic designers create this content, how our video editors create this content, and how you guys can do it at home, because we use Photoshop and we use Premiere, but we also are aware that everyone is experienced in those, so we're also giving you guys alternatives so you guys can still execute this process. So that's it. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this with friends who you think might benefit from it, and make sure you hit the bell button so you guys are getting notifications of when new content is coming out. Thanks for watching Emeroy TV, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Slides, honestly, especially the phase 2 slides. Not a huge fan of it, but it was a quick example. The whole point of it is, the whole purpose of it is that they got the idea of how the phases work.